Hi, makers. It's Charlotte with Makesy, and today I am here with my good friend, Keri. And Keri and I are here to talk to you about a very exciting upcoming event that Makesy has partnered in on, and it is called the Brilliant event. So I'm going to toss it over to Keri. Keri, please tell our makers about this incredible event that they have the opportunity to be a part of.
Yes, I'm so excited. And I'm so excited to have Makesy a part of it and Charlotte, you too. So look, I've been an entrepreneur, it's hard to believe, for 27 years. I've run three businesses. And I know that if you're looking to grow your business, being visible and understanding how to be visible is a huge piece to that puzzle. And so about 8 years ago, I had the concept of Brilliant after having some really incredible conversations with other rock star women business owners, Shar. And I was like, we need to talk about the behind the scenes, not just what you see on social media, but
Absolutely.
like the things that really happen when you're looking to grow your business, whether you're looking to just finally make that six figures or you're looking to grow beyond that. Like, where are you learning what's working right now in this market under these crazy circumstances in a room that is beautiful with women that don't compete, they collaborate, and they believe that there's enough for everyone. And that is the Brilliant Room. It is my 8th year. I love this space because it's small and luxurious and intimate. It's in Newport Beach this year, May 15th through the 17th. But we're teaching real business principles, everything around visibility to creating and generating wealth in abundance and in lots of different ways, not just in our businesses, but in our life. So it's a 3-day event. We focus on purpose, power, and prosperity. The speakers, okay, let me tell you about the speaker chart. Is like they're so awesome because every single one of these women had an idea. Like take Dana Decker, for example, who had a dream about a candle, a wooden wick, a fireplace, right? And she started playing with wood wicks in her kitchen and has created a multi-million dollar empire around a wooden wick. Like how one spark, one
Yeah.
idea can change everything. And I love Sarah Blakely. She's like, all of us have $1 million ideas. We just don't know how to implement them. And that's what Brilliant does. If you have an upper limit issue, which I know we all do, like I can get here, but I don't know how to get here. I
Yeah.
feel like that's what Brilliant breaks down. I was like, well, how
Yeah.
do you get here and maintain your sanity doing it? Because I think a lot of
Yeah.
us, we get burnt out, we get overwhelmed. There's more content than we can ever digest, but it's also confusing. Who do we
Yes.
listen to? Who do we believe? Right? So come learn from women that have built lots of different businesses, all starting where you are, which is in the beginning.
Yeah, and I am so excited for Brilliant because whether you are just starting out and you are at the idea stage or you have surpassed six figures, I think Carrie, what you just said is spot on. It's about how do I take it to the next level? And there is so much content available these days, but to be able to sit down with amazing people and really just be present and get inspired and energized on how to actually action it is invaluable.
It's
So I
priceless.
I
It's
can't
really
wait for this.
priceless. Yeah. And I will tell you, I'm a mom of two littles. My husband travels. I'm working and growing my business every day, and I love it. I love what I do so much, just like I know you do. But if you don't create the space to unplug and like really make sure, am I in alignment with what I say I want? Is the business that I'm creating just becoming a ball and chain, or is it something that's really creating true fulfillment? Am I playing with people? Jim Rohn has this great quote. He says, you become who you surround yourself with the most, like the 5 people you surround yourself with the most. And I'm around my kids and my musician husband, and I love them a whole lot. But I will tell you, like for me to be in the room, like I make a real effort every quarter to get in a room of other women that are doing what I want to do so I can stay, like you said, inspired and energized. And I can't think of new things when I'm always in the same space. I feel like getting out of our home or offices is where the real spark happens. And I feel like
Yeah.
that's the environment of Brilliant. Like it's just like ding, ding,
Yes.
ding. It's pretty fun.
Yes. Well, makers, I'm going to be there. Carrie is going to be there. There are going to be a ton of other incredible women there. Carrie, if our makers want to be a part of this, what are next steps for them?
Yes, and please come and don't get intimidated because we say seven figures, but it's just like, do you aspire to build a quality of life. And that's really what I think we all want is we want to do something that fulfills our heart and our soul, but also provides a quality of life that we're
Yes.
looking to sustain as well.
Yes.
So don't be scared. Like if you have a big vision, you don't know how to implement it, this is the perfect room for you. And if you already have a business and you're growing it and you don't know how to take it to the next place, that's what Brilliant will do for you. So we really meet you where you're at, and you can go to thebrilliantevent.com. Super simple, thebrilliantevent.com. And as a special gift for our makers, we're giving you a 10% discount on any ticket. There are 3 different ticket options. If you have a business bestie, we have a great bestie ticket this year, which we've never done before. But when you go into checkout, if you use the code Makesy, again, we've made it real simple for you, Makesy, you will get 10% off your ticket. And like I said, it really is a lifetime return of investment for you to be in the room and give yourself this gift of just plugging in, but at the same time, unplugging from all the things that you do every day.
Yes, yes. Well, I again, I can't wait for this event. Like I'm inspired just talking about it. So
Me
I
too.
know walking away, it's just undoubtable that this is going to be, something that can just spark new joy and life and opportunities for you in your business makers. So we hope that you guys will join us. If you guys have questions about it, you can direct them to Keri's team. Again, go
Yeah,
to
and
the
there's a bunch
Brilliant
of
event.
Q&A on the Brilliant page. There's also our email. So if you have further questions or want to talk through it with someone, we would be more than happy to do that. But a lot of the questions are on the Brilliant page, thebrilliantevent.com.
Yes, and it's a beautiful website, Keri.
Thank you. And it's a beautiful location. It's right on the water. Again, it's the break we all want. It's vacation while learning and being plugged in. And I will say, Shar, one of the things I hear so much is yes, the speakers are awesome. And you walk away with a lot of great information that will help you. Like, I think it's like the compass, right? Like, am I going in the right direction?
Yeah,
But also, I just want to take a minute and just talk about, again, that community that I've heard from people that have attended year after year after year, that some of their best friendships and partnerships and collabs came from Brilliant.
that's
And that is
amazing.
the space. It's like the women are just so beautiful in every sense of the word, and they really come to connect. They're not coming to sell, they're not coming to just be there for their own good, which there's no problem with that, but they're really looking for friendships and partnerships, which
Yeah,
I think as business owners, it can be hard. It can be hard to
yeah.
find those real legit
Oh
people.
yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. I think entrepreneurial life can be lonely in some ways
So
because
lonely.
if
Yeah.
you don't have mentors or business partners that you can, talk to about ideas, challenges, opportunities, that community that you build around you is truly priceless.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
um, and yeah, who doesn't love to be in beautiful Newport Beach in amazing
It's not a bad
location.
place. It's certainly not a bad place. Yep.
Yeah. All right. Well, we hope to see you there, makers. Thank
Yes, we
you.
do. Yes, we do. May 15th through the 17th. So thank you, Charlotte. Can't wait to have you there as well.
Yay.
Yay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.